Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to 6th Year Auto. My name is Sam, and today I am off to Caffeine and Octane, Jacksonville. I haven't been in a little bit. I've got the Mustang right here. I've done a couple of things to it. I'll talk more about that either in the car or when I get there, but I'm heading down. This is going to be fun. First one being no resonators anymore. Oh, it is loud. Woo-hoo! We just parked up the Mustang over here behind me. The new things I've been talking about, mid-mufflers and mid-muffler and secondary resonators are gone now, so it's louder. As well as I put some side striping on it. That's about it. I'll show you guys those at another point, but we are going to walk over. But I did just see, as I pulled in, a Civic Type R in Phoenix Yellow, which is very cool, as well as a Macan Turbo S in, I guess it's Miami Blue, something like that. Pretty awesome though. Carbon fiber hood and splitter, upgraded intercooler. That's pretty cool. And then right across, we've got the Macan. I was wrong, it's a GTS, not Turbo S, which personally I think is cooler. So that's the bigger engine without just the crazy other parts. Macan GTS and Civic Type R in yellow. I see a 300Z X or 2, and then an S13 next to it.
Oh, yeah, I want to take a picture of this old torpedo, okay? Alright.
Straight piped Audi S5. Bunch of Genesis coupes. A couple more Mustangs, Camaros. Infiniti Red Sport, something I'd get. But we're gonna head into the show because this place apparently has the new Nissan Z here today. Got the Hellrango. A bit uncommon, Lexus ISF, Tennessee tags. So big V8 up front. That's pretty cool. I've always thought these were cool cars. Got more Mustangs. We got a Ford Performance Blue GT350, a Shadow Black possibly, or Antimatter Blue GT500. We've got Levi from up in Georgia's car. Actually, you know what? I might have to pull my car over around here. Yeah, I'm bringing my Mustang over here. So we're at all the BMWs, F30s, Nardo Gray M5. Interesting. We've got the new F80 M3, old 325i. This is what I count as one of the best specs though. The new M240i in purple is one of the best specs. Red interior or white interior is all you need to make it perfect. Wide body Challenger Hellcat. That's pretty cool. You'll see when he comes around the turn. Right there. Wide body Hellcat. Seriously clean Prelude. Right-hand drive, Prelude SI. Awesome looking wrap. I don't remember the name of this account, but I saw this custom peach wrap Shelby GT500 next to a Grabber Blue and a GT350. Very cool. Got a Gen 2 Prelude next to a new Toyota 86 on. Are those raised wheels or? Okay, they're FIR race wheels. That's pretty awesome. Two-door WRX STI. Lotus. That's pretty cool. Green Civic hatch. Some awesome cars here this time. Like seriously, even by these standards, these are cooler. Cool looking wrap on the 14. Pretty cool. Military Jeep. camo Tesla. That's kind of interesting. You don't see that. Pretty good looking S14 with stickers all on the side. This is an autocross car, obviously. We've got 2 new 86s in some of the best colors, honestly, I'd say. Well, this is kind of crazy if this is real. Old Bugatti race car. If this is real, then that's insane. If not, it's still pretty cool. We got the all-new Rivian Rt1 electric pickup truck. That's pretty awesome. Pretty cool. There's a second Phoenix yellow Civic Type R. Very uncommon color. There are 2 of them here, though. 512 BB. That's pretty cool. Viper. Got NSXs and i8s. GTR. Wrapped i8. Next to another i8. GT Black Series. Haven't seen one of those in person yet until now. That's pretty awesome. Then we've got the Huracan STO. Road legal race car, pretty much. Jaguar Project 8. Unlike the Project 7, which was based on the F-Type, the Project 8 is based on the XF. And it's same big V8 all-wheel drive, which is just insane. We've got some Subarus doing some revs. This is the first time seeing a Kona N for me. I think these things are awesome. This is already wrapped. Sounds straight piped possibly. But I've never seen a Kona N before. This thing looks pretty, honestly pretty mean. Sounds pretty good too. Not bad, Hyundai. And they look pretty good, I'm gonna be honest. So we got Supra. We got tons of Supras today. We've got some Zs over here, both Datsun and Nissan. Got a ZHP, which isn't exactly a Z. Got a couple cool Zs though. We've got, actually, this is my friend Chris's car. He just got this done recently. TE37s on a brand new Supra. He sold his Civic Type R for this car, and that is such an upgrade. Looks like a Nissan Cedric. There's a Stagia over there. Now, between the 2 of those, which would you take? Because I actually am on the fence about a Stagia I've seen for sale recently, even. So should I get a Stagia as my next car, as a daily, while I have the Mustang being built as a race car? So this car in front of me is actually insanely cool, because this is the all-new Nissan Z that I'm looking at that I'll show you guys in a second. This is the new Nissan Z. This one is the automatic. It's blue with blue interior. This is the one with the 7-speed paddle shifter out of the Q60 Red Sport. This thing looks amazing, actually. Like, the lines work really, really well. They went classic and it worked really well. I'm a big fan of this. This is how you do a heritage car properly. Pace car from Nissan. And just, wow. The lines on this car are perfect. They did this car perfectly. I had some skepticism. That skepticism is gone.
Of course. I mean, hey.
That is just gorgeous. The intake on the roof looks so good.
Yeah, I'm happy with the way but I wanted this little.
You can see all the active aero. You can see right through under the lights. There's the piping for the exhaust outlets right there. The full active air scoop in the roof. Going right into the V10. There goes a GT3. But this is just a gorgeous spec. The white with red accents everywhere. Very, very, very nice. All the exposed carbon on the hood of this thing is just crazy. This matte black spec AMG GT Black Series. The fully adjustable wing with a gurney flap on the wing. This thing is insane looking. Got the Alpha 4C with the center exit race exhaust. Very cool. Full, is that a Club Sport body kit or possibly Gambala on this 911? That is very pretty, whichever kit it is. I'm not sure which it is though. It might just be a Turbo S body kit. Very, very pretty 718 Cayman GTS. 718 Cayman. This GT4 Cayman. Viper green. What a gorgeous spec. Viper green, manual gearbox. The matte black striping running the length of the car with the air intake. The GT4 in this color. It looks mega. Brand new Ferrari F8 Spider in this metallic dark red. That is an insane color. It's got so many different dimensions and shades to it in the light. That is awesome to see. AC Cobra. An old Nash Healy designed by Pininfarina. We've got the RX-7 with, of course, a V8 swap. Of course, V8 swap from Blood Type Racing. We're back at the 3 GR86s. Very, very pretty. Absolutely sinister looking Mustang. Boss 429 and custom forged line wheels. That is just gorgeous looking. Sorry for that. But this thing, Boss 429, one of the most uncommon Mustangs around. That is insane looking. Pretty cool. We've got a super stock. We've got a gorgeous Porsche GT3. This silver paint with the silver wheels, the wing. That is a good spec car. It's subtle. Looks like someone beat me to what I wanted to do. Old Toyota pickup truck with a 2J in it with a custom billet turbo. I wanted to do this and make a drift truck, but looks like someone beat me to it. Mustang Mach 1 with a 351 Ram Air. Pretty cool. This is the style hood they should have done with the new Mach 1. The shaker does not work in my opinion, and this double Ram Air snorkel like this works better. I have not seen a Vanderhall in just about a year and a half now. Vanderhall Laguna, Chevy Cruze engine, front wheel drive automatic. Pretty much a more usable version of a Slingshot. Plus that has a roof and doors, so it's a little safer. These things are so cool. They got side pipes. They got 8 pipes, 4 on each side. Brembos up front, Vanderhall custom wheels, custom seating. If I was gonna get a toy, it'd be this or a Campana T-Rex, I think, at this point. This thing is so cool. I had walked past this before. This is a Shelby Super Snake 4-door F-150. This is the supercharged V8 Whipple. Putting out, how much do they say on this one? This is 775 horsepower with 4 doors. That seems like a perfect family vehicle, wouldn't you agree? That's pretty awesome. Lamborghini Aventador SV with a custom called the SVR. Black with orange accents, custom wheels. That's awesome looking. Good spec on this, the 720S convertible. This light green with the carbon MSO options. Very, very good spec on this car. I'm digging this thing. That's pretty cool. SL63 with a Rentec tune. That is awesome. The wheels are cool too, the road forms. Looks good. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video here. This is not just a building, by the way, where I am. And no, that's not like, oh, a new company that I'm working for. This is actually the old Lamborghini headquarters from back in the 80s. I had to go here once I found out that it was in Jacksonville. There is apparently a new museum that's going to be coming in here that I'm very, very much looking forward to. But I wanted to come here just to, you know, this is a big part of history. I mean, my dream car is a Diablo SE Hoda. So 80s Lambo, and if any of them were in the US, they went through this area. So very cool. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye-bye.